ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಉಮಾವತಿ. ಮೈಸೂರು ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾನಿಲಯದ ಸಮಾಜಶಾಸ್ತ್ರ ವಿಭಾಗದ 5ನೇ ಸೆಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ನ ಪತ್ರಿಕೆಯಾದ ವೈದ್ಯಕೀಯ ಸಮಾಜಶಾಸ್ತ್ರ ಈ ಪತ್ರಿಕೆಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಿಸಿದ ಅಧಿವೇಶನ 35 ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಪಾಲಿಸಿ ಅಂಡರ್ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ 5 years ಪ್ಲಾನ್ಸ್ ಸೈಲೆಂಟ್ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ಸ್ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಕಮಿಟಿ. ವಿವಿಧ ಪಂಚವಾರ್ಷಿಕ ಯೋಜನೆಗಳ ಅಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ನೀತಿ, ವಿವಿಧ ಸಮಿತಿಗಳ ಪ್ರಮುಖ ಲಕ್ಷಣಗಳು ಈ ಕುರಿತು ಮಾಹಿತಿಯನ್ನು ನೀಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. Recap of the previous session. In the previous session, we have learned about health policies in India, recommendation of the Bore Committee. ಅಂದರೆ ಇಂದಿನ ಅಧಿವೇಶನದಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾರತದಲ್ಲಿ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ನೀತಿ ಬೋರ್ ಸಮಿತಿಯ ಶಿಫಾರಸ್ಸಿನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತಿಳಿದುಕೊಳ್ಳಲಾಯಿತು. Learning objectives and learning outcomes. Students will be understanding for the necessities of the health plan in India. Learning outcomes. Student will be able to critically analyze various health care recommendation of committees programs through 5 years plan to improving the public community health. ಭಾರತಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಯೋಜನೆಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹಾಗೂ ಅದರ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆಗಳನ್ನು ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳುವುದಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಲರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಔಟ್ಕಮ್ಸ್. ವಿವಿಧ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಸಮಿತಿಗಳ ಶಿಫಾರಸುಗಳನ್ನು ವಿಮರ್ಶಾತ್ಮಕವಾಗಿ ವಿಶ್ಲೇಷಿಸಿ ಅವುಗಳನ್ನು ಪಂಚವಾರ್ಷಿಕ ಯೋಜನೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಅನುಷ್ಠಾನ ಮಾಡಿ ಸಮುದಾಯ ಆರೋಗ್ಯವನ್ನು ಸುಧಾರಿಸುವುದಾಗಿದೆ. Contents: Introduction, Objectives, Recommendation of Committee, Various Health Committees, 5 years Plans, Conclusion, References, Multiple Choice Question. Introduction. Health planning in India has been based on the suggestions of various committees which have been formed right from the time of independence. These committees were formed by the government of India from time to time to review the existing health situation and recommend measures for further action. The recommendation of these committees have shaped the formulation of various 5 years plan which forms the backbone of health policy in India. Health planning in India is an integral part of national ಸೋಷಿಯೋ-ಎಕನಾಮಿಕ್ ಪ್ಲಾನಿಂಗ್. ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ನೀತಿಯನ್ನು ಭಾರತವು ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯದ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿಯೇ ರಚಿಸಲಾದ ವಿವಿಧ ಸಮಿತಿಯ ಸಲಹೆಗಳ ಆಧಾರದ ಮೇಲೆ ಅಸ್ತಿತ್ವದಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿಯನ್ನು ಪರಿಶೀಲಿಸಲು ಮತ್ತು ಮುಂದಿನ ಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಶಿಫಾರಸು ಮಾಡಲು ಸಮಿತಿಯನ್ನು ನೇಮಿಸಲಾಯಿತು. ಈ ಸಮಿತಿಯು ನೀಡಿದ ಶಿಫಾರಸ್ಸಿಗೆ ಅನುಗುಣವಾಗಿ ವಿವಿಧ ಪಂಚವಾರ್ಷಿಕ ಯೋಜನೆಗಳ ಅಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಯೋಜನೆಯನ್ನು ರೂಪಿಸಲು ಸಹಕಾರಿಯಾಯಿತು. ಭಾರತದಲ್ಲಿ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಯೋಜನೆಯು ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಸಮಾಜದ ಸಾಮಾಜಿಕ ಆರ್ಥಿಕ ಯೋಜನೆಯ ಅವಿಭಾಜ್ಯ ಅಂಗವಾಗಿದೆ. Objectives. The main objective is how health policies was formulated in India through different committees and various 5-year plans. Planning consider essential it higher standards of health and healthcare to be acted. The purpose of planning to meet health needs and demand of the people. Health needs has deficiency in health that call for preventive, creative, control or creational measures of needs for healthcare. The committees were formed by the Government of India. Health planning, the orderly process defining national health problems, identifying the unmet needs, surveying the resource to meet them, and establishing the priorities, goals to accomplish the purpose of proposed program. Recommendation of committees. Bore Committee in 1946. Bore Committee was appointed by the British India government in 1943 under the chairperson of Sir Joseph Bore, an Indian civil servant. The committee was asked to review the health service in the country and make recommendations for their improvement. Committee dealing with the health, medical relief, professional education, medical research, and industrial health. Health should be made as a state subject. The government should provide comprehensive health care. Bhore Committee recommendation: medical relief, communicable disease control, environmental sanitation, maternal and child health care, school health service, health education, vital statistics. Shetty Committee 1954. This committee was appointed with the objective of the reviving the salary and the working condition of nurses in the country. At the state level, the government concerned should appointment superintendent of nursing services. It should also create additional posts of nursing staff in hospitals. It should provide decent living, accommodation to the nursing students. Mudaliar Committee in 1962. It was appointed in 1962, headed by Dr. A. Lakshmana Swami Mudaliar, Vice Chancellor of Madras University. He was reviewed the progress in the health field since Bore Committee and to take fresh look at the health needs resource of the committee. Committee presented its reports to government in 1965. Surveys progress made in health since submission of Bore Committee Report. Chadha Committee 1963. This committee was appointed under chairmanship of Dr. S. Chadha to advise about the necessary arrangements for the maintenance phase of National Malaria Eradication Program. Recommended the integration of health and family planning services. The committee suggested that the vigilance activity in the NMEP should be carried out by the basic health workers who would function as multipurpose workers. Mukherjee Committees 1965. The Mukherjee Committees headed by the Secretary of Health Sri Mukherjee was appointed to review the staffing pattern and financial provision under family planning and recommended separate staff for the family planning program. The family planning assistants were to undertake family planning duties only. The basic health workers were to be utilized for purpose there than family planning. The basic health workers were to be utilized for purpose other than family planning. Delink the malaria activities from family planning so that the latter would receive undivided attention of its staff. Jungwala Committee 1967. This committee, known as the Committee on Integration of Health Services, was set up in 1964 under the chairmanship of Dr. N. Jungwala, recommended for the integration at all level of health organization in the country, unified cadre, common seniority recognition of extra qualification, equal pay to equal work, special pay for special work, abolition of private practice by government doctor and improvement their services condition. Karthar Singh Committee 1973. This committee, headed by the Additional Secretary of Health and titled the Committee on Multipurpose Workers under Health and Family Planning, was constituted to form framework for integration of health and medical services at peripheral and supervisor level. Recommended various categories of peripheral workers should be amalgamated into the single cadre of multipurpose workers ANM, MPW female, basic health workers MPW male, LHV female, health supervisor. The work of the 3 and 4 MPWs was to the supervised by one health supervisor. One PHC should cover a population of 5,000. It should be divided into 16 sub-center is to be staffed by the male and female health worker. Srivastava Committee 1975. This committee was set up in 1974 as Group on Medical Education and Support Manpower. Creation of bands of para-professional and semi-professional health workers from within the community itself. Establishment of two cadre of health workers between the community level workers and doctors at PHC, namely multipurpose health workers and health assistants. Development of referral services complex by establishing proper linkage between PHC and higher referral services. Establishment of medical and health education commission for planning and implementing the reforms needed in health and medical education on the lines of University Grant Commission. Ramalinga Swamy Committee 1980. This committee included formulation of comprehensive national health policy. Development of health should be integrated with overall plans of socio-economic development to ensure access to adequate food, provide environment conducive to health and adequate immunization where necessary. Devise on education program for health. Nursing and Nursing Committee 1987 to 89. The Government of India in July 1987 constituted a nursing committee under the chairmanship of Dr. Jyoti, former Vice Chancellor of SNDT Women University. Mr. Rajakumari Sood, Nursing Advisor, and CPB Kuru, Principal, Government Nursing College of Bangalore. The committee recommended the staffing norm necessary for providing adequate nursing personnel to give the best possible care both in the rural and urban hospital and community. The need for organized nursing service at the national, state, district, and local level for planning service with the overall care system. Bajaj Committee 1986. The committee constituted by the government and headed by Dr. Bajaj, Professor of All India Institute of Medical Sciences, New Delhi. The committee mainly recommended to appointment of nursing on the basis of bed ratio. Various health committee 5 years plan. During the first 2 5-year plan, the basic structural framework of the public healthcare delivery system remained unchanged in the committee recommendation. The third 5-year plan, launched in 1961, discussed the problem affecting the provision of PHCs and directed attention to the shortage of health personnel, delays in the construction of PHCs, buildings, staff quarters, and inadequate training facilities for the different categories of staff required in the rural areas. In sixth plan was to great extent influenced by Alma Ata Declaration of Health for All by 2000 AD, WHO in 1978, and the ICMR report in 1980. The plan considered that there is a serious dissatisfaction with the existing model of medical and health services with its emphasis on hospital specialization and super specialization. The highly trained doctors, which is avoided of mostly by the well to do classes. It is also released that it is this model which is depriving the rural area and the poor people of the benefits of good health and medical services. The National Health Policy 1983, in light of the directive principles of the construction of India, recommended universal comprehensive primary health care services which are relevant to the actual needs and priorities of the community at the cost which people can afford. Providing universal health care as a goal is a welcome step because this is the first time after the Bore Committee that the government is taking the universal comprehensive health care. Conclusion: the above committees are appointed from time to time to take into the issues of the healthcare administration and recommendation and made by these committees were very helpful to make an excellent change in our healthcare delivery system. References: Government of India, National Health Policy, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Kishore J. National Health Program of Century Publication, India, New Delhi. Planning Commission, National Health Policy. Multiple choice questions. First one: which committee was appointed by the British India government dash? Option is A. Bore Committee, option B. Shetty Committee, option C. Madaliar Committee, option D. Jungwala Committee. Correct answer is A. Bore Committee. Second one: NMEP stands for dash. Option is A. National Medical Education Project, B. National Malaria Educational Program, C. National Mines and Energy Policy, D. National Malaria Eradication Program. Correct answer is D. National Malaria Eradication Program. Third one: third 5-year plan started in the year dash to dash. Option is 1951 to 1956, 1952 1997, 1961 to 1966, D 1974 to 1979. Correct answer is C 1961 to 1966. Fourth one, nursing committee was constituted under the chairmanship of dash. Option is A. Dr. Jyoti. Option B. Mr. Rajkumari Sood. C. CPB Kuru. D. Katha Singh. Correct answer is A. Dr. Jyoti. Fifth one, the national health policy formulated in the year dash. A 1973, B 1983, C 1993, D 2003. Correct answer is B 1983. Thank you.